All right, here we are, February 23rd, set to do a cutout on this meter box with the black lid. I've got with me RJ and Victoria. Uh, both have an interest in bees and wanted to see the process for a cutout. There we go. Wow. Okay. We've got it open. Now the fun starts. All right.
See what are they doing? You see how they're all
I don't know.
saying something. Oh, is that the queen? Is that the queen?
That is the queen. Good eye. Okay, you keep an eye on her. Watch her.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, she's a big one.
Um,
Come on now.
she went under something.
All right. She won't be far.
Yeah. Oh, she's trying to run away. Oh, you got her. Yeah.
There she is. Okay. There she is. Right there.
She's pretty. You stay in there, Mama.
All right, let's see what we're looking at now. Not much left. Okay. Now it's just a matter of hopefully letting them migrate in. So the bees that we cut out of the water meter last night are now over here, and they are orientating to their new location. And we're just going to leave them unbothered for at least a week. That looks like a lot of orientation flights. I think maybe I will open that entrance a little more. There you go. Now you've got more room to come and go. I think they're going to stay.